Once upon a time in a colorful city named Happyville, there were 4 extraordinary kids: Timmy, Lily, Sammy, and Emily. They had a secret, and that secret was their amazing superpowers. They could fly, turn invisible, control the weather, and even talk to animals. These 4 friends were known as the Superhero Kids. One sunny morning, the Superhero Kids gathered at their secret hideout in a treehouse deep in the Happyville forest. They all wore matching capes, and their faces beamed with excitement. It was an important day for Happyville because the annual Happyville picnic was about to begin. This was the most anticipated event of the year, with games, food, and laughter for everyone in the city. However, there was a problem. The city's beloved mayor, Mayor Smiley, had lost the key to the big picnic chest where all the picnic supplies were stored. Without the key, there would be no picnic, and everyone in Happyville would be so sad. The mayor had searched high and low but couldn't find it. The Superhero Kids knew they had to help. They knew their powers could make a difference. Timmy, who could fly, said, "I'll check the treetops for the key." Lily, who could turn invisible, said, "I'll sneak into Mayor Smiley's office to see if it's there." Sammy, who could control the weather, said, "I'll ask the wind to help us find the key." And Emily, who could talk to animals, said, "I'll ask the birds to keep an eye out." So, the Superhero Kids set off on their mission. Timmy soared into the sky, searching every tree branch. Lily slipped into Mayor Smiley's office without being seen, looking for the key. Sammy stood outside and summoned the wind, and Emily chatted with the birds. Timmy flew higher and higher, scanning the treetops for any glimmers of metal. Meanwhile, Lily searched the mayor's desk, peeking into drawers and checking behind picture frames. Sammy had a little chat with the wind, asking it to help find the key. The wind blew around the city, searching for anything that sparkled. Emily sat in the park, surrounded by chirping birds. She asked them to keep an eye out for the picnic key. The birds chirped back in understanding and flew off in all directions. After a while, the Superhero Kids regrouped. Timmy landed back in the treehouse, and the others joined him. They were all a little discouraged because they hadn't found the key yet, but they knew they couldn't give up. Suddenly, a bird flew into the treehouse. It was a small, colorful parrot named Polly, and it was holding something shiny in its beak. Emily asked, "Polly, is that the picnic key?" The parrot nodded and dropped the key into Emily's hand. Excitedly, they gathered the picnic supplies, loaded them into a colorful cart, and wheeled it to the park. When they arrived, the whole city was waiting with bated breath. Mayor Smiley was especially anxious, hoping they had found the key. With a big smile, Emily handed the key to Mayor Smiley. He unlocked the chest, and everyone cheered as they opened it to reveal a treasure trove of picnic goodies. There were sandwiches, fruit, cookies, and colorful balloons. The children ran around setting up picnic blankets, and the laughter and joy were infectious. The Superhero Kids watched as everyone enjoyed the picnic. They knew that, with their unique powers and teamwork, they had saved the day. They couldn't help but feel proud. But they were also humble and didn't tell anyone about their special abilities. They just enjoyed the picnic like everyone else. As the sun set over Happyville, the Superhero Kids returned to their treehouse, satisfied with their adventure. They realized that being a superhero wasn't just about having amazing powers. It was about using those powers to help others and make the world a better place. And in Happyville, that's exactly what they did.